pau tuke ni riwruok mar Kids to Kids kod Kambi Shabiki.com norwako jotugo mag golf e piem mar golf manobagi Limuru Golf Club odiochieng' manyoro. Tukego mane geto choko omenda ne nyithinde bwo chenro mar kanisa mar Christ Church Westlands Nairobi en mar nyithindo makiye mondo mi osirgi e weche mag gago kod somo. Chenro ni nywandogi e weche mag somo mapacho kaka Kambi Shabiki.com nobedo josire tuke makamage mahigani.
Under Shabiki na Jamii initiative, we have always believed the real impact starts with opportunity. And there is no greater opportunity we can give than access to quality education. Today, you've done more than swing a club. You've made a difference. You've helped write a new chapter for a child who will now walk to classroom with hope in their hearts and tools in their hands.
About an average of about 20 kids for the last couple of years, but the Kids to Kids team under the leadership of Gordon and again under the leadership of the church has now moved to taking care of over 50 children, about 50 children every year.